Hello everyone, I am Gurumurthy, Max teacher, the Optimus Public School, Bhavani. Today we are going to continue chapter 3, subtraction. Today we are going to see using bar models for problem solving. Here three methods are there. One is addition method, second one is subtraction method, third one is comparison method. Using bar models for problem solving, addition model. Dear kids, sometimes you may find it difficult to decide how to solve a problem. In such case, drawing a bar model can help. Example 1. The cook made some sandwiches for the picnic. 62 sandwiches were eaten and 26 were left. How many sandwiches had the cook made? Dear kids, I am going to write in short form. Number of eaten sandwiches 62. Number of left, yes, 26. Our question is the total number of sandwiches. Is correct? You are going to solve the total number of sandwiches equal to number of eaten plus number of left. I am going to solve in rough work column 62 plus 26. Why I am here adding? We know the total number of sandwiches is nothing but eaten plus left. That's why you are adding here. Is correct? 2 plus 6 equal to 8. In tens place, 6 plus 2 equal to 8. So it's become 88. Therefore, the cook had made 88 sandwiches for the picnic. Understand? Next, using bar models for problem solving, subtraction model. Example, there are 45 flowers in all in a bouquet. 27 of these are roses. The rest are asters. How many asters are there in the bouquet? Dear kids, I am going to write in short form. The total number of flowers in the bouquet equal to 45. Number of roses equal to 27. What is the rest? The rest are asters equal to how many? The asters equal to total number of flowers minus number of roses. I am going to solve in rough work column 45 minus 27. In one's place, I am going to subtract 5 minus 7. It's not possible to subtract, so you are going to regroup in tens to ones. So in tens place I have 4, so it's become 3. In ones place I have 5, it's become 15. 15 minus 7 equal to 8. In tens place I have 3. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. So it's become 18. There are 18 asters in the bouquet. Using bar models for problem solving, comparison model. Example, Susmita has 2 albums of stickers. Album A has 53 stickers. Album B has 41 stickers. How many more stickers are there in album A? I repeat, Susmita has 2 albums of stickers. Album A has 53 stickers. Album B has 41 stickers. How many more stickers are there in album A? Yes, I am going to write in short form. Album A has 53 stickers. album B has 41 stickers. How many more stickers are there in album A? Dear kids, here you are going to compare from album A to album B. We know comparison means you are going to do difference. Difference is nothing but subtraction. Therefore, number of more stickers in album A equal to number of stickers in album A minus number of stickers in album B. I am going to solve in rough work. 53 minus 41. In ones place, 3 minus 1 equal to 2. In tens place, 5 minus 4 equal to 1. Therefore, there are 12 more stickers in album A. Next topic is building skills, not enough information. This kind of problem we already saw chapter 2 addition. Same way here also we are going to discuss about the building skills, not enough information. Dear kids, some subtraction problem may not have all the information we need to solve them. Example, Amita's granny gave her rupees 200 for Diwali. Amita's used some of it to buy a book. How much money was left with her? I repeat, Amita's granny gave her rupees 200 for Diwali. Amita's used some of it to buy a book. How much money was left with her? In this question, does not give us the cost of the book, so we can't able to find out remain amount. That means we cannot solve the problem and find the answer to the question. It's correct? So we need full information, then only you are going to solve. Otherwise, can't able to solve this kind of problem. Dear kids, one more example for you. Anshul's family bought 198 packets of milk in a month of January and February. How many packets did his family buy in February alone? Dear kids, Anshul's family bought 198 packets of milk. That is total packets in both months, January and February. Answer, the problem does not give us the number of milk packet in each month. It does not have all the information. We need to solve the problem. So, we can't solve the problem and find the answer to the question. Is correct? So, can't able to find out number of packets in February month alone. Dear kids, try yourself. Pause the video. Complete your notebook. Thank you. We will see in the next video.